Want to speed up your language learning? Get access to all of our best PDF cheat sheets for free. Just click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account right now.
A table for 5. A table for 5.
Absolutely. Absolutely. All right. All right.
Are you all right? Are you all right?
Are you on Facebook? Are you on Facebook?
Awesome. Awesome.
Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Can I borrow this? Can I borrow this?
Can I have a bag, please? Can I have a bag, please? Can I have a receipt, please? Can I have a receipt, please?
Can I sit here? Can I sit here? Can I try it on? Can I try it on?
Can you download this file? Can you download this file?
Check. Check. Congratulations. Congratulations. Could I have your attention, please? Could I have your attention, please?
Delicious. Delicious.
Do you need anything? Do you need anything? Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
Do you understand? Do you understand? Does this bus go to? Does this bus go to?
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. Don't worry. Don't worry. Everything is great. Everything is great.
Excuse me, do you know where the is? Excuse me, do you know where the is?
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Go straight ahead. Go straight ahead.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good night. Good night.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hello. Hello.
Help. Help.
Hi. Hi.
Hold on. Hold on.
How are you? How are you?
How do I get to the? How do I get to the?
How do you do? How do you do?
How do you pronounce this? How do you pronounce this?
How have you been? How have you been?
How is it? How is it?
How is your mother? How is your mother?
How long will you stay? How long will you stay? How many people are there in your family? How many people are there in your family?
How much is it to? How much is it to?
How much is this? How much is this?
How much? How much?
How old are you? How old are you?
How is your day? How is your day? How's the weather? How's the weather?
Hurry up. Hurry up.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
I don't understand. I don't understand.
I like it. I like it.
I live in. I live in. I lost my phone. I lost my phone.
I need. I need.
I need to go to the. I need to go to the.
I understand. I understand. I'd like this. I'd like this.
I'll have this. I'll have this. I'll have time next week. I'll have time next week.
I'm.
I'm allergic to shrimp. I'm allergic to shrimp.
I'm at home. I'm at home.
I'm busy this week. I'm busy this week.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
I'm from. I'm from.
I'm full. I'm full. I'm good. I'm good.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
I'm looking forward to working with you. I'm looking forward to working with you. I'm sorry I'm late. I'm sorry I'm late.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Is that it? Is that it?
Is the far from here? Is the far from here? Is there a near here? Is there a near here? It was nice to meet you. It was nice to meet you.
It's difficult. It's difficult.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's really good. It's really good. It's sunny. It's sunny.
It's true. It's true.
I've heard a lot about you. I've heard a lot about you.
Just a minute, please. Just a minute, please. Long time no see. Long time no see.
Make yourself at home. Make yourself at home.
May I help you? May I help you? May I sit here? May I sit here? My mother is well. My mother is well.
My name is. My name is.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
No problem. No problem.
No. No. Of course not. Of course not.
Of course. Of course.
Once again, please. Once again, please. Please forgive me. Please forgive me.
Please have a seat. Please have a seat.
Please write it down. Please write it down.
Please? Please?
Really? Really? Same for me. Same for me.
Shut up. Shut up.
Slower, please. Slower, please.
So, what's new? So, what's new?
Sorry to keep you waiting. Sorry to keep you waiting.
Sounds great. Sounds great. Stop here, please. Stop here, please.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks. Thanks.
That jacket looks nice on you. That jacket looks nice on you.
This is for you. This is for you.
This weekend I'm going to the movies. This weekend I'm going to the movies.
Welcome. Welcome.
We're meeting someone. We're meeting someone. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? What are you doing this weekend? What are you doing this weekend? What are you doing? What are you doing?
What do you do? What do you do?
What do you feel like eating? What do you feel like eating?
What do you recommend? What do you recommend?
What do you want? What do you want?
What happened? What happened?
What time does it open? What time does it open? What time is it? What time is it? What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink? What's for dinner? What's for dinner?
What's the next stop? What's the next stop?
What's the temperature? What's the temperature?
What's this? What's this? What's wrong? What's wrong?
What's your favorite website? What's your favorite website?
What's your name? What's your name?
When is your birthday? When is your birthday? When will the plane leave? When will the plane leave? Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are you from? Where are you from?
Where do you live? Where do you live?
Where do you work? Where do you work? Where is it? Where is it?
Where is the? Where is the?
Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom?
Who is it? Who is it?
Who's going? Who's going?
Who's there? Who's there? Why are you late? Why are you late?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Yes. Yes.
You have good taste. You have good taste. You look gorgeous. You look gorgeous. Your smile is beautiful. Your smile is beautiful.
You're handsome. You're handsome.
You're smart. You're smart.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Great work! Here's a reward. Speed up your language learning with our PDF lessons. Get all of our best PDF cheat sheets and ebooks for free. Just click the link in the description.